Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide your number for outgoing calls in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and now you want to hide your own number for outgoing calls, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner. Go for settings, then just select supplementary services. You just have to wait for its loading. And then from here just select show your caller ID for the SIM on which you want to hide your number. Let's say I'm going to hide my number from the SIM 2. Just tap on show your caller ID option, then select never, and it will take a while the loading. Once its loading has been completed, now your phone number has been hidden for outgoing calls. It has set to be private. So that's how you can easily hide your number for outgoing calls in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.